Hi, and welcome back to Cooking with Cotton Creations. So today I'm going to be whipping up a quick cheesesteak because that is what I'm in the mood for. And typically when I do my cheesesteaks, I do straight up all veggies and then the cheese. But today I'm gonna take it up a notch and I'm gonna add in some Impossible Burger. So that's what it looks like and that's what I'm gonna be putting in there. So let's get into it because I'm hungry. So I got my veggies, some onions, some bell pepper, and some mushrooms with a little bit of oil. And I almost forgot my red bell pepper. Next, let's add in our Impossible Burger. So while the veggies are cooking and getting a little tender, I'm gonna show you guys my marinade that actually gives it the steak-like flavor. Like this is what's gonna take it up a notch and turn it into that steak flavor. This is my favorite vegan beef flavoring bouillon, Edwards & Sons. As y'all can see, I don't want the vegan police to come after me. It definitely does say, vegan. Don't come for me. So I'm gonna put a third of that bouillon cube, not too much. You don't want to overdo it. They are very strong and potent, so you do not need a whole lot. A little goes a long way. So I'm just gonna drop that in there. Oh, and I did start out with like maybe a tablespoon of water. You may need to add in more as you go, but you'll be able to gauge it. So then I'm gonna use some tamari with some Worcestershire sauce. This one is vegan, no seafood, animal products in it. So just a little dash of that. Some garlic powder. Now, of course, you really can't go overboard with this. Just put however much you want. And some black pepper. So now I'm gonna just give it a stir. And that bouillon cube will fully break down once it's on the heat. But you can mash it up against the side and then mix it back in. So let's go back and add this to our veggies and our Impossible Burger. Pour in your steak mixture. And I'm adding a few jalapeno peppers. Bun toasting. I'm gonna be using Follow Your Heart pepper jack cheese. I like mine with a little hint of spicy. So that's the type of cheese I'm gonna be using today. Place our cheese on. I'm gonna let that go on the bottom so it can melt a little bit. I put a little mayo on my bun. All right, y'all, so the cheesesteak is done. Let's see what it's looking like. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Y'all ain't ready? Y'all ain't ready. I'm telling you. Let me get you up close and personal. Come on. Now, I like to eat lettuce and tomato and mayo on mine. So as you can see, I done already cut up some tomato. And I have me a little bit of lettuce. Okay? So I'm gonna add that to mine and we are going to eat, okay? And I can't wait because I'm starved. Oh, and y'all can add however much cheese y'all want. I don't necessarily need an overload of cheese. I need the flavor in there, but I don't need like an excessive amount. But like my god sister, she loves cheese. So I know if I was to do it for her, I would probably have to add like, I don't know, like 4 or 5 slices. Yeah. But anyway, that's your thing. Do whatever you want to do. There's no rules to it. And let me add this stuff and then we're going to take a bite and get into it. Okay, now this is getting a little out of hand. It's getting kind of big. Now let's cut it. Cheesesteak sandwiches, vegan. Ow. Okay, anyway, I'm hungry, so let's get into it. So it don't fall apart on me, I'm not gonna unwrap it all the way. I'm gonna just go peel it down like that. You see that? Just peel down, wham and bam. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's so good. I haven't made a cheesesteak sandwich in a little while now, but I still got it. It's bomb. And it's just as good with just veggies. But it's nice to have a bit of a bite in there that feels more like meat. Mmm. I don't usually toot my own horn like that, but she did that. I'm telling y'all, if y'all don't try any of my other recipes, y'all should try this one. So look, I don't want to be rude and keep eating in front of y'all and teasing, so I'm gonna let y'all go, but I do want to say that the recipe is in the description box if you're on IGTV. And it's also in the description box if you're on my YouTube channel. And if you're not on my YouTube channel, you need to stop what you're doing and subscribe. Head on over to YouTube and go to Cotton Creations, 2 words, no crazy spellings, Cotton Creations, and subscribe and watch my YouTube videos. And there's tons more of my vegan recipes there. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll be back with another one real soon. But in the meantime, stay safe. Stay your distance, wash those hands, and be blessed.